The historical coin we're talking about today is the Swedish 1 Krona coin of 1978, the beautiful and dignified side of Sweden's king, Carl Gustaf, Carl XVI Gustaf, is engraved on the front of this coin. Right side with face is written in a beautiful calligraphy, Carl XVI Gustaf Sveriges Konung, which means Carl XVI Gustaf, King of Sweden. The year of publishing coins below, 1978, is listed, which indicates a historic period when the economy was going through new changes in Sweden. This design not only highlights the royal tradition, but also a great example of the art of Swedish coin making. The sign of Sweden with the royal crown on the back of the coin is clearly noticeable. 3 crosses, 3 crowns, and a royal crown shows the power and solidarity of the Swedish nation. Written above, Sverige, which means Sweden, and below is the value of the coin, Krona, which shows that this coin was worth a krona. This coin is a representative of the days when the use of cash was common and each coin was considered as an important part of the economy. Technical details. Antique price 7978 krona 等于 about 0.20美元. Today's value about 24 USD historically as per condition. Market value can also go up to $5 to $10 in excellent condition. Shape, round, design, royal picture and national symbols. Currency, Swedish krona, SEK. Weight, 7.0 grams. Composition, copper nickel. Diameter, 25毫米. Thickness, 2毫米. Material, nickel volatility. Plated, nickel plated no, full mixed metal. Avantation, metal element. Mint, Swedish mint, Kungliga myntet. Edge, redded, Rekadar bank. Inscription, Sweden, king and worth writing in front and back. KM-845, standard war coin catalog. This coin of 1978 was of a common value, but its historical and superannuation aspect makes it valuable. In the old days, this coin was spent on normal markets, shops, bus stops. In a krona you used to get newspapers, chocolates, or sometimes a train ticket. Today this coin is not just a monument of the past, but a treasure for those who collect the coin. Swedish 1 krona coin of 1978. Not just a currency, but it's a door of the past that reminds us of old life, old economy, and old Sweden. If you like our information, like the video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to Coin Story channel. Next time we will attend with another historical coin. Until then, goodbye.